Getting started with investing in 2026 isn't as complicated as people make it sound. You don't need thousands of dollars or a finance degree to begin building wealth. Here's exactly what you need to do. First, get your emergency funds sorted. Before you invest a single dollar, save 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This protects you from having to sell investments at a loss when life throws curveballs. Second, open a brokerage account. Apps like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard make this process take less than 10 minutes. You'll need your social security number and bank details. That's it. Third, start with index funds. Forget picking individual stocks right now. An S&P 500 index fund gives you instant diversification across 500 companies. It's simple, proven, and removes the guessing game. Fourth, automate your contributions. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. Even $50 a month adds up. The key is consistency, not the amount. Fifth, understand the tax advantages. Max out your Roth IRA if you qualify. You contribute after-tax money now, but your withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. That's free money from the government you're leaving on the table if you skip this. Sixth, ignore the noise. Markets go up and down. Your friend's crypto success story doesn't matter. Stay focused on your long-term strategy and keep contributing regardless of what the headlines say. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Take action today, even if it's small. Your future self will thank you for starting when you did.